Hi guys, it's Julie here and welcome to my Jtru channel. I thought I would do this video to show you how I use white vinegar to clean around the house and my workspace, and I just think it's a great way to save on plastic by not buying too many cleaning products, and also it's chemical free, which is safer for you, your children and your pets. I mean, some of you guys may not know, but the cleaning products we use from the supermarkets can be very harmful. So I think it would be good to use more natural products to clean the house, and it still does the same job, so why not give it a go? Also, white vinegar can be used for many different things as well, which I will list at the very end of the video. So be sure to watch the whole video to find out what it is. So before I show you how I clean with white vinegar, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to see more of me in the future. So yeah, okay, let's begin. So here I have 5 litres of distilled white vinegar. I bought this size because it can last me up to 6 months or more, and it works out cheaper in the long run. And I will be using this glass bottle to put the mixture in. You can use a plastic bottle if you like, it's up to you. And both of these items were bought from Amazon, and I can list it in the description box below. So I'm just about to prepare the mixture, and I find it easier to use a funnel as well to pour the white vinegar into the bottle. Obviously you don't need to rely on a funnel if you have a steady hand, but I just find it easier to pour the vinegar into the bottle. So really for this you only need to fill up half the bottle with white vinegar and half the bottle with water. Now I'm going to pour the rest of the bottle with some water. And it really is that easy to just make your own cleaning products. And don't worry about the smell of the vinegar. Once you start spraying it, the smell will evaporate after a couple of minutes. And make sure the lid is nice and tight on the bottle. And just give it a little shake. And I like to use the microfibre cloth to clean around the house because it picks up the dust and it's very good for cleaning. So next I will be giving you some demonstrations of how I clean around the house. I'll start off with my laptop. I just sprayed a little bit on the cloth and just clean my keyboard with it. If you use your laptop on a regular basis, I think it's important to keep it nice and clean, and as you can imagine, the amount of bacteria that builds up on the keyboards, and I just think it's good practice anyway. And I just love using this cloth because it just picks up all the dust from the screen, and it just definitely makes things very shiny. And now I will be moving on to my desk. Do any of you guys find cleaning very therapeutic? Because I do think that having a nice, tidy, clean space puts you in the right mindset, and I just love how things look nice and fresh, and I'm just basically ready to go. Here I'm just going to show you how I clean the door handles and how shiny it will look afterwards, so check this out guys. Just give it a good old buff and it should be very shiny. I hope you guys are enjoying my video so far. Please do hit the like button so that this video will get out to more people, and yeah, it'd be good for the YouTube algorithm as well. Now I'm moving on to the sink. Give it a good old spray. Sometimes it's actually good to leave the mixture on for about 10 minutes before you clean. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to show you how I clean the sink, and it does make the tap very, very shiny, and it's good for cleaning lime scale as well. As you can see, it's looking very clean, and I just love the idea of having something so simple to clean around the house, which is chemical free, and you can use it, you know, as many times as you want. And now moving on to the kitchen, I'll be cleaning up the worktop. And just a word of advice that the vinegar may not be suitable for certain worktops, so please do your research before you try this out. And if you're still here with me, please don't forget to hit the like button. I would really appreciate that, guys, and thanks for still being here. Now, I absolutely love using vinegar water to clean the mirror because it makes it so shiny. Hi! The vinegar water is also great for cleaning off fingerprints and getting rid of all the bacteria. So all you need is a little bit and just give it a good old wipe. I don't think people realise how much bacteria is built up by just using the phone every day. So I do think it's good practice to clean your phone every day. Just look at how shiny that is. Ta-da! So what can you use vinegar for? I have listed up to 20 things for you guys, so let's go through them, shall we? So just before I go through the list, I just wanted to point out that the ratio of vinegar may be different for each thing, so please do your research before you try them out. So number one, it's good for cleaning your fruit and vegetables, and you can use it to make pickles. Number two, it can get rid of mold. Number three, it can remove lime scale from the kettle. Number four, clean your jewellery. Number five, it can clean your windows. Number six, clean your laundry. Number seven, it can clean the floor. Number eight, clean the oven. Number nine, it can clean the microwave. Number 10, clean tough lime scale. Number 11, it can clean your washing machine. Number 12, keep cut flowers fresh. Number 13, it can get rid of grass and weed. Number 14, clean glasses. Number 15, unclog the shower head. Number 16, get rid of water stains. Number 17, unblock the sink. Number 18, clean your kitchen with it. Number 19, clean the bathroom. And finally, number 20, it can get rid of tough stains from fabrics. So that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments down below if you're going to give this a go, and would you recommend it to another friend or another family member, because I do think it's important to look after our health, because a lot of things that we consume and use are full of chemicals. So we're just trying to, or me anyway, trying to reduce that and make it a better environment as well. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions for me for the type of videos to make in the future, let me know. And yeah, take care. See you soon. Bye.